weekly update on the renovation on the small house. We're still doing the wall. We've got massive piles of stone, which is quite annoying because we managed to clear quite a lot of space, and then now we're filling it back up. But so this is where the wall's going to go here for the bedroom. I don't know if you guys remember, obviously that was the wall separating, but you can see some of the sizes of them. You know, it's just, I don't know how they would have got them up there. So that's too shallow for like wheelchair access or normal door size, so we're taking that pillar down, hence why all the acros are in there, going through the wall supporting that, and then we shall put a big lintel in and make that one big opening. So it's going well. Hopefully the lintel is going in tomorrow. Yeah, and then I guess once it's all out and cleared, then I can start kind of seeing how we're going to do the layout of that, you know, because at the minute with that wall being in there, it's quite a struggle to know on sizes and where the bathroom's going to go and stuff. So yeah, and if you guys have got any ideas, let me know.